I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the audio system in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So if we go to music, we'll see there a record. I'm just going to turn that down. You see at the bottom the silver circle with the silver triangle, iPhone and Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth with a tick next to it. That means any audio that plays through this phone, if you have it set right here, it will play through the speakers. So we'll go back to there. It should be playing. Now I can either go to media here by clicking that button, which is a hell of a lot simpler than clicking the home button here and then going to media, click media. You see there, I Wish It Would Rain, Temptations. If I knock it across, you'll see media sources. If it doesn't come on automatically, if you can't see your phone, for instance, it could be, I'll just turn it down, no memory card, no device connected. So I'll click on memory card. So we'll do that again, just to cover all bases. So from navigation, we want to play a record or a tune from your mobile. So you click play, go over to either, we can select the home button there, and then go to media, click media. It says no memory card inserted. So what I have to do now is knock that across to media sources. There you go, media sources, and we want to select my phone. No track info available. Now if I turn this up, I turn that up there, and then here. That's it. That's how you play music.